My God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
What?
Into their heads. But no, they kept doubting her doubt. A lot of it's sexism, David.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, I don't usually do this here, but I'm going to make a very fair proposal. All you do, tap the like button, subscribe, and I will show you guys a very cute video of a dog chasing a laser. Now that you've done that, here is said dog chasing said laser. Oh shoot, wrong dog video. This week was crazy when it came to investing in stocks. There was earnings, that means stocks were volatile. A lot happened. As you guys saw in the mildly inappropriate intro, I was very happy Tuesday morning because this week, so far, UPS has tallied 20% out of absolutely nowhere. I invested back in UPS in December because I wanted a shipping stock instead of FedEx for the holidays, and I invested in that, and it's gone pretty well so far. So buckle up because we're going to be going over some of the crazy stuff that happened this week and other important information that dividend investors should be aware of. What caused this insane uptick was UPS's EPS was 2.77, while the Wall Street analysts expected it to be at $1.72. In retrospect, they absolutely murdered these numbers and murdered other profits as well. Now here's an interview with Carol B. Tomei. This actually happened back in December, but the same can go towards 2021.
Because of the way it's divided month to month, I think that it's actually going to be, it's going to expand your gross margin, which is what some people were worried about today. They seem they missed that point.
Yeah, look, this is a big company to turn. We have over 525,000 UPSers. We operate in 220 countries around the world. But as we think about our business, we think we have opportunities to move the margin in the right direction, reversing the downward trend that we've experienced over the past several years. And we're going to do that by leaning into the customer experience, by simplifying our business, by eliminating redundant tasks that are creating no value for the customer, and making sure that we get the right returns on the capital that we invest.
I am used to your company coming out in mid-December and telling me you're going to miss the quarters, a pre-announcement saying, listen, we didn't expect this level of demand. Can you tell me that you at least have a plan to not do that again?
So we're planning a pretty peaky peak, and peak is so important to our customers that we've been planning for this for months. Listen to what we've done. We've leased 14 new aircraft. We've added 5 million of more square feet. We've added 400,000 of automated sort packaging process capabilities. We've added 2,700 new package car locations. We are hiring 100,000 people to manage peak. We are ready for the volume that's going to come our way. We don't expect to be issuing any warning.
Yes, that's what will make this stock great and make, of course, the company.
One thing I definitely took away from the interview was how confident and electric she spoke. I'm sure this definitely correlates to the culture of working at UPS, which is something that's really good in a company that I look to invest in personally. As an Apple shareholder, I can definitely get used to saying this, that they killed this quarter again. They beat iPhone, iMac, and iPad earnings again. They also increased their dividend 7%, which gets me, and I'm sure PK Investing, very hot and bothered. They also beat Goldman Sachs' expectations, which set the stock to go up 3.5% after hours. Chevron also increased its dividend 4%, which is always nice to see if you do own Chevron like me. This is a big one too. Realty Income acquired Verit, which is another REIT, in an all-stock transaction this morning, they announced. This boomed Realty Income stock price to over $70, which doesn't make me very happy because I wanted to buy more. Current Verit shareholders will get 0.7 shares of Realty Income too if you've owned it prior to this stock transaction. Verit shares only went up a measly 18% after this deal was announced. So I actually did do some research on Verit, and I think it's going to be a very steady cash flow machine for Realty Income, which is definitely going to be needed to pay out their monthly dividends. They also have a very diversified tenant basis, which is also very good. A lot of the tenants they currently hold, Realty Income already operates to, so it's good that Realty Income will have a lot of familiarity with the tenants, their new tenants that they're going to be working with. They also do own some industrial properties, which will be very nice to see that Realty Income is getting involved in the industrial property leasing game. Altria had mixed earnings, which honestly was kind of expected, but it sent the stock down a little bit. They did see some growth in their new oral nicotine called On! Explanation mark. So a little interesting to see. I just acquired Altria, believe it or not, and you guys will see it in next week's video. NextEra Energy and Southern Company also had very good quarters, regardless of the Texas winter storms. So that's very good to see. I also own both of those. This didn't really affect the stock price much because a lot of people aren't getting into this stock with the hope that it goes up $20 in a day. They're holding it long term and letting the dividends compound, which is exactly what I plan to do with it. I have saved the best and most interesting for last. There are rumors that Amazon may be doing a stock split soon because it is hitting all-time highs right now. It just hit it after hours. It's Thursday evening is the time I'm recording this. So there are rumors. I heard this on Seeking Alpha, and there's other places on Wall Street where this is being rumored that they are going to be doing a stock split. Personally, I hope they're doing a 10 for 1. It would be more affordable, maybe a 15 for 1. But I want to thank you guys a lot for watching this video. It means a lot to me. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all for the YouTube algorithm. And have a great day.